So what's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're having a Seedream 4.5 review. So Seedream 4.5 is an advanced AI video generation model designed to turn text prompts into short moving clips. It's an evolution of earlier Seedream versions with improvements in realism and motion smoothness, prompt understanding, cinematic feel and output details. It's often used by creators, hobbyists, and developers who want AI-generated video without major coding. So Seedream 4.5 uses trained AI to create video clips from your written description. You can type something like a dragon flying over a sunforest and Seedream tries to generate a short animated clip matching that idea. You can run it in tools like Hugging Face, Comfy UI, and custom apps with AI video backends. It has fluid cinematic motion with scenery, subject movement, lightning, and reasonably well when prompt is clear. Also, detailed prompts tend to produce more accurate results. You can include camera movements, scene details, lightning styles, and the model often reflects those choices. Also, Seedream 4.5 is generally open source friendly, meaning people can use it in community tools. It's not tied to one paid provider, and advanced users can integrate it into workflows. But on the other hand, most outputs run about 2 to 6 seconds. Longer videos usually require stitching clips together or advanced editing tools. This is a limitation of current AI video tech. Quality tends to hover around moderate resolution from 480 to 720p range. For full HD output without artifacts, quality can decrease. Also, if the text prompt isn't clear, the model might misinterpret motion, blur characters, and add unnatural movement. Prompt clarity matters a lot, and to run Seedream 4.5 locally or on cloud services, you often need a GPU, installation tools like Comfy UI or Docker, and this is not a beginner level smooth like click and publish. So, at the end, Seedream 4.5 is one of the best open video generation models available today for creative users who want cinematic, smooth shots clips without proprietary APIs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.